Yeah, guys, these are the typical homes. Oh, that one is renting. No, for sale. For sale. For sale. Guys, there's a home selling there if you want to buy a home. So this is the process to go over to the bridge. To go over the bridge to branch into region 3. What it is, separated by a river.
Yeah. Demerara River. The river called Demerara River.
Demerara?
Yeah.
Demerara River. Barber shop. So guys, just cross the bridge with us. Oh, the line is still long, man. Oh my god. So it's a 3-lane.
Yeah, 3 lanes.
Okay. Okay. Welcome to Demerara Harbour Bridge. Chad. So guys, he's saying that you can use...
If you want to use the bridges, get boat. The stallion, it's called the stallion, get boat is what for the money.
And then the boat just take over the passengers and so on.
Yeah.
Okay. This is fun. This is interesting. I must squeeze in. You have to make a payment?
Yeah, you have to pay.
So what is the cost to go through over this bridge now?
Well, different price. Cars get its own price, bus, truck get its own price.
So it's like
That is the price.
oh, those are the prices. Motorcycle. I must blow you. Oh, so guys, this is how they make the payment to cross the bridge. Back home we would travel on the highway. We normally make a payment on the highway to cross over into Kingston and so on. So every region you're going to, you have to pay, or there's another route where you could travel instead of doing this?
But every region you're going to, you gotta pay a toll.
Oh.
If it's not for the bridge, it's for the ferry.
Yes.
It's usually ferry. You gotta pay if you go up on the ferry, or if you gotta cross the bridge, you gotta pay the bridge.
Okay.
So it's like every region you gotta pay.
You have to make a payment. This is new for me. In Jamaica we have options, so we don't have to pay the toll. We always have another road where we can divert and use. So 4 lanes, guys, 4 lanes. Police. This is the bridge. Guys, we're going on to the bridge that connects region 4 to region 3. Look at this. Wow. It's just one bridge. That's why the line is so long. So this is the Demerara River. Oh. The bridge ever get any flooding or anything like that? No? Oh.
It's a floating bridge.
Oh, so it can be closed?
Yeah, it's open and closed for the them ship pass.
Okay, so guys, this is a floating bridge. Look at Guyana. Guyana is beautiful.
This part is open. This come down here.
Yeah. So the bicycle man them have to pay too?
No.
Oh.
The cycle don't have to pay.
Okay.
That's the motorcycle.
Demerara River, guys. So remember, you have options. You can take a boat, but the boat take you into Georgetown, to the town area. So guys, leave in the comment section, what do you think about the bridge that we're crossing now? Is it a great experience for you? Have you been on the bridge before? Have you traveled to Guyana before and been on the Demerara Bridge? Children allowed to drive in the front? Or no?
No.
Okay. Share your experience, guys. On that side. This river look big, man. Guys, it's one of the biggest river I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. This is a big river. Oh my God. This is one of the broadest rivers I have ever seen. In Jamaica, when you're crossing river, over the bridge. Not an island. It's an island?
No.
Oh. we're almost there, almost at the end of the bridge. Those are mangroves. Almost at the end of the bridge. Ooh. What a long river. Welcome to Region 3. Mangroves protect the sea. So guys, we made it safely across into Region 3. And this will be a different experience here. Not even catch her, give him the little give. God is in control, have faith. Jesus is God's gift. But a lot of people work into Georgetown, because their line is longer, so when they're coming back now they will have this challenge. Okay. What is the name of Region 3?
The name of Region 3?
It has like how Georgetown is Region 4.
This west side.
Oh, west side.
Yeah, west side.
Okay.
It's separated to back when you're right, when your left hand is west side, and your right hand is west coast.
Okay.
And then I'm still in west coast.
Yes. I got it.
Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of